Got a gaming chair in the mail.
Ready?
Yeah. You said there's a surprise on it, right?
Well, there's a feature.
Oh.
There's a surprise feature I didn't tell you about. Excuse me.
Ooh. I don't have to be jealous of my dad anymore because I got the chair and I have to assemble it like he did.
Yeah.
Sorry, Dad, if you're watching this.
Sorry about what?
Nothing.
Okay, let's take these out first.
Whoa.
Everything's individually packaged.
What's the special feature?
Well, you're gonna have to wait till it's all attached.
It's a special feature in this box.
No, take the base out, please.
Okay.
This is a nice big box. Oh!
Is it the footrest you're talking about? Is that the special feature?
No, but that is a nice feature.
What the
Are you recording?
Yeah, the adjustable back. Is that the feature?
No, you're gonna have to wait till it's put together. I guess press pause and then wait till it's all together.
Okay. Mind that noise in the background. It's just Owen playing with his toys. Okay, so Mom's attaching the wheels right now. I'm gonna get started with the oh god. I'm gonna get started with the backrest and the footrest. Jump cut. Oh, what happened?
These ones don't click in.
Okay. Jump cut. Mom just got done with the wheels. Owen's just making noise in the background.
Careful with the scissors because I don't want you cutting the actual chair and you're only using one hand, so...
I know, Mom.
Well, you should be using two hands so that you don't slip. Can you check on your brother, please?
Okay.
Thanks.
Can I please put him on camera? People will love it. Crap. Put the packaging back in the box. Mom's got more of the base done. We unboxed the top part of the backrest. We unboxed the backrest and the part with the footrest. So, yeah, there's the pillow and all the other crap. What's wrong, buddy? Okay, another jump cut. Mom's just reading the instructions. No one wants attention.
Give me that.
Okay.
Give me the chair.
Oh. We already got the footrest onto
Put it on its belly. Here.
We already got the footrest onto the base.
The footrest was already on the base.
You know what I mean,
Get
right?
rid of this.
Oh, it's just playing with his toys in the background.
Good.
And he's still on his back, like he should be. Take a bite of my pasta. I'll go check on Owen. Oh. Again. Mom just got the backrest onto the thing. It sounds like Owen's gonna scream again, so jump cut. This chair looks nice already. Now all we gotta do is attach the pillows. Here, Mom. I'll do it. Yeah.
Oh, it goes this way.
Yeah, you flip it in that way. Oh. Alright. I'm just attaching the handles. Thanks, Mom. For this
putting it
chair.
together for the chair. You're welcome, baby.
Here, I'll attach this pillow.
I'm not really sure what to do with it yet.
Hmm?
I don't know what to do with it yet.
No, I'm saying because there's buttons on it.
Yeah. What do the buttons say?
On, off, and mode. I'm gonna go check on Owen again. Alright. I'm just attaching the second hand. It's a Killaby brand.
Didn't matter what brand it was.
No, I didn't know
Oh,
what.
hold that. It's falling. Oh, I hurt my finger.
Oh.
It's heavier than it looks. Okay, let me put that brush screw in.
You got this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check on Owen again. Reading the instructions again. I'm gonna see how the chair feels real quick.
Hang on, my legs are on it.
Hmm?
I gotta test it and adjust it and then tighten the bolts, so I'm not ready yet.
Okay.
Hang on.
Nonu's here, so.
Let me see if I did it right.
Whoa, Mom.
Okay, so that's good. That part's okay.
Don't break that chair, please.
Alright.
Oh, did he ever jump?
Did you get that on camera?
Yes.
Did he ever jump?
Well, don't lean
Mom.
all the way back when you weigh as much as I do.
Only weigh like 75 pounds, Mom.
Yep. I'm aware.
Even though I'm 12.
That's not that much, Jaden. Okay. So and then how do you do this?
Excuse me.
How do you do that? You just pull it out?
And flip it, yeah.
So you
Footrest.
do that manually?
Mhm.
And then, okay. So that's manual. That's good. Where's the
The things?
lift?
The lift?
And sync. That works. Okay, so lift it up. And then this is, what was the other one? Lift, and then what does that say? Lift and what?
Lock.
Lock. Oh, that's why. Okay, so if you're leaning and you want to lock it, or is this for the wheels? No, that's for the wheels. So that's to lock the wheels. Okay, now this is going to be the special feature. Can you move the box and put the box in this corner here so that I can bring the chair over there?
I'm gonna jump cut.
Oh, yesterday you hung out at his friend's house all day.
Look at him.
Oh, this chair is comfortable.
Okay, watch out. Let me see how it works before you jump on it.
Alright. Apparently the special feature was a rumble.
It's a massage.
Oh.
Massage chair. And you can
Alright.
move the pillow wherever you
I'm gonna end the
want.
video now.